young aspirants. Welcome to Gallant IAS. Here at Gallant IAS, we are launching a new Civil Service Foundation course. It is a journey to improve your knowledge and interpersonal skills. Are you ready for the voyage? Get in. Let's start our discussion with a small Q&A session. I'll be asking few questions. You can mark the responses in a piece of paper. So let's start. Are you aware that the Mount Everest is still growing? Do you know how the President of India is elected? Are you aware about the fundamental rights and duties? Have you heard about Pacific Ring of Fire? Do you know why the government is not printing currency even if we are having money shortage? Have you heard about World War I and World War II? Why it was fought? Well and good. I hope you have marked the answers. You may be getting 1 right, 2 right, 3 right, 4 right, whatever it may be, it doesn't matter. Here in our foundation course, we'll be studying all these in detail. It is not only about knowing these content or getting knowledge, it is all about developing your interpersonal skills also. This examination, the UPSC examination, demands both skill and knowledge. It is a balance of both. Not only for UPSC Civil Service Examination, for all the government examination, you should have the basic reasoning, aptitude, communication skills, interpersonal skills, etc. So through our foundation program, what we are aiming at is to empower you with the basic knowledge and skill set to crack any government examination at a very younger age. So that is our main objective. Dear parents, we want our children to get good education, good job and make us really proud. But are we raising a socially responsible citizen? Do they really know what is happening around them? Do they know the career prospects of a civil service? Or are they aware about government jobs, the prospects of being a civil servant? There may be many queries. There is a solution for all these queries, that is the Civil Service Foundation program at Gallant IAS. Through this foundation program, we aim at empowering children through quality enriched classes and one-to-one interactive sessions. There will be 100 sessions throughout a year. You can enroll our program. For more details, contact us in the given below number.